Yeah, so we're there with the dolly, you know what I mean? You done with your boy Grizzle Beer. And right now, presently, Taros Riley tear up the stage. So dolly, what go on? Yeah, the dolly's done. Yeah, the experience, you know what I mean? Just to be in my presence, my blushing and all these things. So, you know, tell me about the experience, how you enjoying the show so far.
Well, the experience is good so far. Even though me personally, I come actually to see Beres, man. So yeah, I'm an artist. So.
All right, I hear that. She come for see Beres. Say it again. Say it again. Who you come for see?
Beres, man.
You know that man, the voice thrill the girl. Them say, can you sing a song? Sing a Beres man for me. A little one, even one line. Oh, all right then. So thank you, my dolly. I don't know they are the intimate. You see me? I say she's so beautiful. Happy New Year and enjoy the rest of the show. You see me? Yes.
Yeah, peanut Rasta, don't a Jackson.
Do it again.
Rasmus, it's peanut Jackson. Rasta will sell peanut. The man a call me.
Money!
You think they want to make that massive?
Kevin.
Money. You think they want to who?
Yeah, people, so we're there with a wonderful couple, red and white, you know what I mean? And I'm going to be red stripe, everything nice. We're at the ultimate, intimate, yeah, prairie on a Grizzle Beer plantation. So, what's the experience so far?
You know, it's great. Sir.
All right, my general, sir. Which one of the artists they really come out for see?
You know, sir, Buju and Beres, man.
All right, then. So, the Gargamel and Beres, man, they don't know them man, they curate the ultimate show. So, I'm going to ask a lady over here to know if which one I sang them you like? Beres man or Buju, which one of them? And which song you like?
Well, I love the two of them.
Yes, they can't sing when I tune them for me. That's why I like a line, even one. Destiny. I'm going to kick it out.
Yes.
Mama.
Look for when you're calling.
All right then. See it? General. 2023 you know. You know what I mean? More life, happy new year today, you know. You see me and say, Mama? So I big up yourself. So speak up the channel now, man.
Yeah, reggae vibes me there. You don't know it go. Yo, you lad, one.
Yeah, yeah, my talk. So there, you know. 2023. We're on.
This is Anthony B and I want to invite all my families, my fans and friends. February 25th, 2023, Club Amazura, Queens, New York. It's a concert. Black and proud. I'm gonna shout it loud. And remember, it's Black History Month. So go and get your ticket at Black and Proud Concert.eventbrite.com. Remember, Anthony B. Turbulence, Gidimani, perfect in the house. Real Mackay, the whole family. Yes. Alright. Massive B, music by Massive B, Mountain Lion, Club Amazura, New York. 25th of February 2023, Beer Fire, Loud and Proud, many more guests and special guest artists will be announced. Blaze it, it's a bonfire reggae vibes production. Boom, go get your ticket now.
Everybody wanna plan the car. Everybody wanna play the bar.